Good afternoon, and thanks for checking in on your work week forecast video. We have some dissipating showers here in east central Indiana. That's from some storms that moved through the area earlier this afternoon and this morning that originated in Illinois. We see some new development here in very southeastern Illinois as well. These storms aren't very strong right now, but they could still pose a slight severe threat if they continue to develop. We could see some damaging winds in those storms later this afternoon and into the evening hours, but I really don't think that they're going to have a big effect on the area. Now, as we take a look at current satellite imagery, we do see some destabilization here in central Illinois and maybe even some gravity waves in the satellite here, indicating that some stronger to severe storms could develop later this evening. And if we take a look at forecast radar, we do see those storms develop into a line segment or an MCS later tonight. This is forecast for 10 p.m. this evening, and as we move into the overnight hours, you see that the line moves east into the northern parts of Indiana and then continues southeastern Indiana into the very early morning hours on Monday morning. As we go throughout the day on Monday, we also see some isolated storms and showers redevelop throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Models are in disagreement with exactly how widespread these showers will be, but we could also see another line, a stronger line, move through tomorrow evening, but it'll also dissipate as it moves east through our area as well. As we move into Tuesday, high pressure begins to build into the area, and we'll see mostly calmer conditions. However, I think we could still see some isolated showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday afternoon and evening as well. As we move into Wednesday, the high pressure still lingers over the area, bringing calmer conditions and clearer skies than we've seen the last few days. And I want to take a look briefly at the upper levels right now to show you what's going on causing this to happen. As we look at our upper level map here, these are heights, and we're going to see this ridging start to build throughout the middle of the week as we move into Tuesday, Wednesday, and even Thursday. You see this big ridge here. This is what I'm talking about, where we have our Gulf weather, our subtropical weather. It's being pushed up into the central United States and even into the northern United States during the middle of this week, and that's bringing hotter and more moist conditions. So our dew points are probably going to be pretty high for much of the week, and it's going to be muggy outside again. I know that's not the nicest feeling, but it'll move out toward the end of the week. And like I said, that high pressure and that upper level ridging will last throughout much of the middle of the week before it starts to break down on Thursday and into Friday, and we return back to that northwest flow pattern which we've had the last few weeks, and I'll get to that in just a second. Taking a look at our temperature anomaly for the middle of the week here, you're really going to see that difference in the temperatures being above normal for parts of the northern plains and the central United States in general over the middle of the week here, where we could have temperatures even into the mid-teens to lower 20s above normal in the northern plain areas. However, it's going to be about normal for us here until we get toward the end of the week, Thursday and Friday, where we could see our warmer temperatures in the low 90s. As we move into the weekend, or closer to it rather, we could see another wave of upper level energy that I've mentioned before. Here it is. We could see that move through on Friday throughout the afternoon hours, and it'll move through our area, and we could see some storm development from that overnight on Friday night as well. Then as we move into Saturday, we see the shortwave trough out here to our west. This could be a source of lift to get storms going on Saturday afternoon as well. So we can have that chance for precipitation on Saturday, and that's our greatest chance, I believe, that we see throughout the week and into the weekend here. We could see another MCS type of event as this moves through, because we have a couple areas here of upper level energy, and it's not to say that those will stay separated. We could see this elongate more into a line and have a larger MCS event, since we have the northwest flow that we have been seeing lately in the pattern that we've had the last few weeks. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a larger line of storms move through Saturday night as well. Taking a look at the 5-day forecast here, it's going to be a very nice week. It's going to be warm toward the end of the week, though, and like I said, we're going to have a few isolated chances for some storms and showers, but as we move through the later half of the week, it's just going to be hot and sunny. That's all I have for you today. Check back in tomorrow's video. Thank you.